Hey guys, I got break even on that trade that you saw, that short. I took partials and got break even. Now I'm in a long here. Really good setup. Great setup. ES is close to these draws. We're bullish on the 4-hour. I like it a lot. Very tight stop. I mean, we could get stopped and then price runs, which, I mean, price action, how price action has been the past few weeks wouldn't surprise me, but it would be seriously awesome if we would run, bro. Seriously, it would be sick, bro. How am I still... Wow, my fill was that bad? Ew, bro. That's disgusting. I think if we grab these highs, we break even at those highs. Again, that's if I never traded twice in a day and it goes my way, like with how price has been. But I'm not gonna emotionally close out of a trade or anything. Like, this is a good trade for me to take. We break structure to the upside on the 5-minute on both indexes. We get a retracement on both indexes. We break to the downside on both indexes on the 1-minute. Break back to the upside on both indexes on the 1-minute. 4 hours bullish on both indexes. 1 hour candle of market open, closed not bullish, not bearish. We closed, like, we retrace into these gaps in equilibrium. Like, everything looks really good. And if I lose, just probability. Price is just not delivering how I wanted it to. Wait, what? Why am I out of my broker? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why did it sign me out? Why did it sign me out while I was literally using the broker? Yeah, this will be a one and only TP, I think. I think because we can't partial at this high, can't at this high. We can only really take out at this high, so that's gonna be that's what I'm gonna partial. That's why it's gonna be one and only TP to this high, really. Nice. First time I take 2 trades and it actually works out in a while. Gives me hope, you know. Gives me hope that trading actually works. So yeah, I think I'm break even. Definitely break even once we hit this first hourly high, but this one, I'm not too sure about break even on that, but yeah, I'm like break even right now. At this point, I'm break even, I would say. Gotta grab it. Don't do this to me. Not about to just edge, right? Okay, bang. Stops are officially break even. I hope we continue to run, but we have to see what high is this. Yeah. We could keep running. I hope that's the case. Did we hit take profit on? Yeah, we did. Nice. Okay. Fire. I take that as a dub. Dub on the combine. Break even on the whatever the XFA is, whatever. 52K. 5. Okay. If we could hit TP on this too, that would be really cool. I would like that a lot. That'd be sick. Is there any other liquidity to target? Not really. I don't want to target this 4-hour high up here. Funny, yes, I'm not trying to do that. But the second high is good. I was kind of close to getting stopped out there and losing that trade, I'm not gonna lie. I got pretty close. We got down here. I entered at 10:42, I guess, and we got close. The stop was tight. This is a pretty tight stop for me personally. Yeah, I'm gonna hold to the second one. Because it's like, yeah, potential SMT, but like, maybe Nasdaq will want to come for this high. Yeah, that might be the play right there. Nasdaq might want to come for this high. It's not even an hourly high, but so we'll see. That gives a little bit more of it, might push down instead of up. because this is not an hourly high. And we're not really close to another one on NASDAQ. It's really just up to ES if we want to push to this high or not. And I hope we do for the sake of just dubbing on the trade. I wish we had better risk reward. I wish I got a better fill. Like if I got filled like right here before that candle wicked out, I think this, yeah, I would have been able to partial here. But now it's not too worth. It's not too worth the partial, you know. Because we got filled at the top, at the tip top of that wick pretty much, which sucks. Nasty, nasty, nasty fill. Disgusting. But if we went to this draw, it makes it all better. We shall see. I hope we get a move up here. I hope, but do I think we will? It's debatable. I mean, we have these low 1 minute lows after sweeping a high. We'll probably eat those. Probably fried, but it could still be a decent uptrend. We'll see. Break even is where I want it to be anyways. Break even is where I want this trade to be at, because that is pretty much where it gets invalidated, at this gap. Let's hope it doesn't come to the point where we push down to the gap. I mean, I hope it doesn't. But if it does, it does. It sucks we got the fill. We could have partialed at these highs for a decent risk reward if I didn't get that awful fill. It sucks, but it's just how it is in trading. You get some pretty shit fills sometimes. Hopefully this was retracement and we could push up now. The only thing we have protecting us is this gap, and if price comes to fill this gap, I'm sure we'll push lower than that gap and stop us out. And the crazy part is, if we do get stopped out, it might just be by a little bit. It might be just by like a wick, bro. Because we have the gap protecting us, but if we got filled better, if we got filled better, we would have been filled all the way down here and we would still be chilling. We would still be chilling right now because we have a lot of gap protecting us. But here, where we actually got filled up here, we have like no room. Like we have just, this blue line's where the gap starts and this is where the gap ends. So it's like my break even is like where the gap ends. So if we fill the gap completely and then move up off that, I'm probably getting stopped out on the trade, which sucks. Healthy uptrend though. I mean, looks moving good. NASDAQ, the index that I'm not trading on, is getting more bullish, more of the volume, of course. I wish we could inverse this gap, but that's just not what price is gonna do. Like, that's a nice 5-minute down candle for the retracement, but we just have to hope that we don't have to go any lower than that. It looks bullish. I mean, we wicked out these lows and now we're moving to the upside pretty good, but I've seen this before. As per usual, I've seen this before. This is going to turn into a black candle. Mark my words. May ICT strike me down. This will end as a black candle. Who's the genius? Who's the genius? I'm telling you, bro. I know these markets, man. They love faking you out. They love it. They love it. 2. Equal lows. So we're going to pretty much guaranteed to come back down here. How about Trump tweets and then you just go all the way to this hourly high in a 1 minute, and then after you hit that, come down to these equal lows. I would like that a lot. Please, Trump, please. Trump, please. Trump says no. Please, let's go up here. This is how the indexes move, up and to the right. Let's go. Let's go, market makers. Yes is not moving. I'm waiting for that big down candle. That big black down candle. That just like fries in one go. If we could break to the upside, I mean, that gives us more potential. But we're staying underneath all the highs. We have to like break through a high soon. Nasdaq's more bullish. Hopefully Nasdaq can carry ES and we could push up. Nice. Well, yes. Got no volume, getting no volume of it. Of course. NASDAQ equal highs. ES equal lows. Never mind, ES does not have equal lows. It only has it on the micros. Never mind. But yeah, if we could break on ES, I like that. That's good. Equal highs on ES, equal highs on NASDAQ, equal highs everywhere. Push up NASDAQ, you're going to come up to these equal highs at least. Or just reject off them lows. This is the down candle that we've been waiting for. NASDAQ really does get all the volume, huh? ES is way slower in the aftermarket open. Like after like 10:30, 10:45, ES slows down. Same as in Asia session. ES is like really ugly. NASDAQ always has the volume. ES is prone to making like equal lows and equal highs. Like once price slows down, it's really weird. Like it just does this a lot. Like it makes triple, it can make quadruple highs. Like it's crazy work. NASDAQ has these equal highs. ES has triple equal highs. That it should push past like right now. Yeah, there we go. Hopefully we could break to the upside. Or not. Alright. Okay, now it's fried. Unless NASDAQ wants these highs, we're going to get stopped. Because ES swept out the highs and we didn't want to break past them. So we have to... Yep, there's that fucking candle. Hopefully that we wick. We just wick. Why is it smaller on the... I'm tweaking. Turn it blue. Turn it blue. Okay, now we're just going sideways. The stop out is pretty much imminent here. Unless price is actually like good for once and just trends up instead of like stopping out and then going like sideways, whatever. Nice. I'll take it. I'll take that. I will take that. I will take that. What the fuck, bro? Alright. Well, that's it. W day. See you guys. Thank you, Trump. Trump literally did what I asked. I'm not an insider, and I'm not an insider. See you guys.